Let's first look at some examples of just writing the matrix. We need to practice this and make sure that we are good at it before we start putting things into Desmos, because if you don't put the right input into Desmos, it's not going to give you the correct answer. And so in this first set of problems, we're going to be just practicing writing the matrix. Let's go ahead and look at our first set of equations. We have 5x plus 6y equals 13, 8x minus 2y equals 2. Those are already in standard form, and that's what we're looking for. We want our x's first, y's, z's if we have them, constants on the right. Remember that a matrix is only going to have constants and coefficients. So for the first row, I'm going to write a 5, a 6. We use a colon to indicate that we are moving to the other side of the equal sign, and a 13. 8, negative 2. Please don't forget to put any negative signs where they belong, and a 2. To close off the matrix, we use a big set of brackets. And then the next thing that we need to do is identify the dimensions of the matrix. So remember, it's the number of rows and then the number of columns. So we have 1, 2 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. So this would be a 2 by 3 matrix. Let's look at the next one. The first thing that I notice, I have 7x minus 4y equals negative 5, but in the second equation I have 13y minus 2x equals 45. So that one is not in our standard form. I'm going to go ahead and just make some marks here. I want to make sure that I catch that those y's are in different places. So let's go ahead and write our matrix. Our first one's okay. We need 7, negative 4, colon for an equal sign, negative 5. But our second one, we need to start with the y or the x value and not the y value. So we're going to say that it is negative 2, followed by 13, and then 45. Again, we want to state the dimensions of the matrix. This one also has 2 rows and 3 columns, so it is a 2 by 3 matrix.